Oh, I see how it's gonna be. Come here. Give me the stick. Give me the stick, Nora. She loves it. Come on, get here. How do you get a stick from a dog that doesn't want to give it up? You get a new stick. Oh, you okay? Let's see if she'll get this one. So this was the answer to our fetching problem. We just need to use sticks. Quit hitting yourself. Quit hitting yourself, crazy. Alright, you ready? You goofball. She's very efficient. For every time we throw the stick, she fetches it 4 times before she drops it.